Hello everyone. Thank you so much for viewing today. Welcome to my channel. I am JL. So please like, subscribe, and share with as many people as possible. And I will thank you if you have done so. If you have not, please consider, and thank you in advance. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the Amazon stock. I'm going to let you know if you think it's a good stock for you to invest in and grow your wealth during this recession time. Now, as you know, it has not been officially announced, and sometimes you may not get any official announcement until the recession is over. Because the government do not like to panic people. But the stocks have gone down considerably, and so people are like pulling back on their investments. And so this is the Amazon stock, and I'm gonna let you know it is down from a year ago, $84.67. It is down over 47% in the last year. Okay, the original high in the last year was $181. Now it is $93.41. So I do think this is a good stock to purchase. However, do your own due diligence. Now, how I do this, I come on Google and I type in the stock that I want to get the information for the analogy. So I wrote in the Google search, I wrote Amazon stock price. And so and then I have clicked on all. So it comes up with the whole, layout of the stock, and you can click which part you want to view. And so I click on the year part. Well, I will also do the 5 years. So in 5 years, this stock have grown, even though it's down now, it's still at 60% higher than it was 5 years ago. So these are long-term strategies for you to build your wealth. As you know, stock go up and down, and it is based on some data, but it's also sort of emotional connection with what is going on or what people feel or perceive that is going on. And also people are pulling back because they don't have as much money to put into certain things, and plus they're afraid that they're gonna lose the money, and so they're not gonna buy at a certain price because they don't want to lose money. You always want to gain. So the best price to buy at the lowest price. Now you never know when the bottom price comes. You do not, if the economy starts to do better, which most people perceive that might be a year or two, then the stock may start ticking back up. So you want to have it at the lowest price you can, absolutely, but you do not know, and you cannot know when that's gonna be. So get it at the best price you could, do your own due diligence, but mainly as far as investment is, get started in something, because of the amount of interest that is on the savings and on different things like the IRAs. You do need part of your portfolio in the stock market. Now, I would say, so as I said, this stock is down from a year ago, $84, down over 47%. So what I would suggest is, now I'm not a stockbroker and I'm not an advisor, but I'm going from my own preference of what I would do if I was investing in the stock or what I have done in the past. So I would buy like a few of these stocks, and add some, maybe start with one, and then keep, building on it. Maybe you can only afford one stock a month, and maybe you can afford, I would say, maybe you want your portfolio spread out over 10 stocks. Maybe you only have $1,000. Well, then you take that $1,000 and buy one of each of those stocks. Now, and then that is spreading out your portfolio, or you buy a couple of the stocks. Now I am talking to anybody in the working class and the middle class, because a lot of people don't have extra money to put into stock. But I'm trying to say, start somewhere, do something to increase your wealth, because this is really a portion of it. I do have other strategies, and they all are long term. Of course, the stock can be faster than the others, but you do not know when the market is going to go up. So if I were you, I'll put maybe $100 into the stock this month, maybe $100 next month, or maybe I would just spread it all out of certain stocks, all of them, and that would keep your portfolio diversified. So you have a potential in this stock when the market begin to go back up is making 40%. So let me discuss where this stock was 5 years ago. So this stock again is up over 60% from 5 years ago. So it has grown quite a bit. And so in let's see, there's $85. So it has been as low as $85 in the last year, and now it's and then it has been as high as $180 in the last year. So definitely try to invest so you can grow your wealth. Try to invest a small amount and continue to build monthly. Now there are videos that will show you how to invest as a beginner, as a small investor in the stock market, and you could do that so you won't have to pay a bunch of fees. There's also different apps that you can get to purchase your stock. Now, I don't know any because I don't research that. I did not research that, but you can easily research it, and you can easily get the information about the quality of that app. Okay, so that's what I would say would do. So invest in to grow your wealth. Invest in Amazon. Start at one stock or two or three or four or five, how much you could afford, and continue to build, or either continue to build on other stocks. All right, thanks again, guys, for viewing today. I appreciate you. You have a great day. Take care.